Welcome back to today's another video. I'm going to be showing you guys the transmission cooler. So this is one that came out of a truck that did originally have it. Whenever I bought mine, it did not. But all it is it's just a factory transmission cooler right there. And there's a little hole right there. I just have to drill into the radiator support and then put a screw in. And there's one way down there on the other side too, but all it is it's tapped into the existing. So right there, this line, and there's one down there. It attached it to the radiator right here, and it just has a little tiny C-clip that you just pop out, and then you can pull the lines out. And all that is it's just black hose that I got from AutoZone. It's called like transmission cooler lines, and I got about 5 feet of it and ran it from the transmission cooler down over. It comes out of this little plastic piece down here, and then it goes down underneath the radiator and clips back over. And whenever I installed it, I've noticed it's dropped my transmission temperature. Before on the highway doing about 65 to 70, it was around 200 on a really hot day. Now it sits around 175 to 180. So it's doing its job pretty good, and I'm really happy with it. I got it for about $35 at a junkyard, and then I have the extra line if I need it. But it works pretty good, and I'm very happy. And if I ever want to just go back, all I have to do is just unclip the rubber hose and put it back into its little clips, and it's like nothing ever happened. So if you have any more questions about this or want to see anything else about it, I'll be making more videos about everything. Just have to find time. So if you like this video, let me know.